So number 5, let's say we have y is equals to x plus 1 over 2 minus x if x is equals to 5i. So just do the same process. Replace or the variable x by 5i. So you'll be having 5i for this x plus 1 over 2 minus 5i. Then if you have I in the denominator, you're gonna use conjugate there. So pero pwede na to yata. Conjugate pa ba to? Para makuha. So pag kinonjugate natin to guys, multiply lang natin by 2 plus 5i. 2 plus 5i para ma-eliminate yung I sa denominator. Then after that, distribute mo na lang to, FOIL method. So bali magkakaroon ka dito ng 5i times 2. Lagyan natin dito sa taas. So 5i times 2, that is 10i. Then 5i times 5i, that will become 25i squared. Then 1 times 2, that is 2. And 1 times 5i, that is 5i. Over this one, this is difference of two squares. So when you see this kind of given, just multiply the first two terms. So 2 times 2, that is 4. Then negative times positive is negative. And 5i times 5i, that is 25i squared. So that is difference of two squares. So you don't need to to expand that, unlike this one. Anyways, combine like terms. So from here we have 10i plus 5i, that will become 15i, plus 25, and we have I squared here. So I squared is negative 1, and we have 2 over 4 minus 25, and our I squared is negative 1. So from here we can now simplify. So we have 15i. This is 25 times negative 1, that is negative 25. Negative 25 plus 2, that is negative 23. Over 4 minus 25 times negative 1. So negative 25 times negative 1, that is positive 25. 25 plus 4 is 29. So over 29. So this is the value. So that's how you do that. So which means kapag may I, para lang siyang rationalize conjugate. Basta sa radical, same lang sila ng concept. Bawal magkaroon ng I sa denominator.